Let's take a look at ground clearance on hybrid cars. Somewhere under here on my 2016 Prius, the clearance is only 5.1 inches. On older Prius cars, it is 5.3 inches. Around the sides, it is about 7 inches. And the beginning of the front is also 7 inches. This rock is approximately 5.1 inches, which is the ground clearance. But it's deceiving because it looks like it would fit, and it will fit under the front, because remember, this is 7 inches. But once it gets under the car, there's an area that's only 5.1 inches, and this is no good. Low ground clearance cars were not designed to be taken off paved roads. We do it at our own risk. To give you a better idea of the ground clearance, the length of my hand from the wrist to the fingertips is 7 inches. So the ground clearance is less than the length of my hand. Here are some other hybrid car ground clearances. The Hyundai Ioniq and the Nissan Leaf are 6.3 inch ground clearance. The BMW i3 is 5.5 inch ground clearance. And as a side note, this isn't a hybrid, but the 1999 Mazda Miata had a clearance of only 4 inches. Today, the Miata has a clearance of 5.3 inches, which is a little bit more than this Prius, the 2016 Prius. Even just on the side of the road poses a risk. While pulling off to the side of the road to find a hiking trail, I scraped the right front of the car on this weed-covered rock curb. While trying to maneuver to back into the camping spot on the left, I scraped the left side of the car on the small rock you see ahead. It was just high enough to scrape the bottom edge. What can we do? We should, when we pull off a paved roadway, be extremely careful and keep one eye on the ground in front of the car as we move forward. And also, when possible, get out of the car and walk the path you're going to drive to make sure there are no large rocks or rocks large enough. And drive slowly. Even in town, the lower front of the car gets scrapes from parking curb stops and oddly dipped driveway entrances. This entrance has one of those dips. If I don't go slow, I scrape the front. And on this entrance, even going slow doesn't help.